How to make Wi-Fi streaming quality on high quality on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make Wi-Fi streaming quality on high quality on Deezer mobile. First then open Deezer and now click this settings icon here in the top corner. This one, click on it and here scroll down until you find this one, audio, and then click on it. And as you see here, you will find it Wi-Fi streaming quality. Just click on it and select high quality, and now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.